Spills at your facility can be difficult and potentially even dangerous to clean up if not dealt with properly. Lucky for you, State offers a solution to this very issue. Today, I want to talk about Powder Dam and demonstrate how well this product works. For this example, I'm going to use water, but this product also works on bodily fluids, acid-based spills, and alkaline-based spills. I'm going to pour some Powder Dam into this beaker, and quickly, you will start to see the water congeal. It's worth noting this product can absorb up to 40 times its weight. After the product has had some time to sit, the spill becomes gel-like, making it easy to sweep up with a broom. All you'll be left with is the pleasant apple fragrance. If you're interested in simplifying the cleanup process for spills at your facility, head over to www.stateindustrial.com to get into contact with one of our sales professionals.